Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to resize all the plots or figures in your Excel files in seconds using a VBA coding. So this is the code that I will use. It's very simple. It has just a few lines. You can just define the size, the width and the height of all the figures that you have in the Excel file here. And let's see together how we're gonna apply this code to the figures that I have. As you can see in this chart or in this sheet, I have different figures or plots with different size. So I'm gonna use that code to make them all have the same size. So I'm just gonna go to insert, add shape to assign a macro to apply that code. I'm just gonna group both these shapes together and now right click and then assign macro, and here we have only one macro, so I'm just gonna use this one, resize all figures. Click OK, and now notice what will happen to all the figures, even if there is figures in different sheet. So when you click on it, all figures are the same size exactly. The size, if you want to check the size, you just click on any figure, go to format, and you will see the height and width are constant for all of them. If you want to change the size, for example, if I want to increase the width from 350 to, let's say, 500, I can just change it from here and then click here again, and you will see that the width increased to 500. If I want to decrease it, I can just go here and change the size, assign the macro again, and you will see that all the figures have now the same size. This is very helpful, especially if you have multiple figures in different sheets, like hundreds of figures, and you want to make them all have the same size very quickly. So that code will be very useful. So you can pause the video at any time and just write these few lines. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.